Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing yet another mystery box unboxing from House of Sillage. This is not a sponsored video, but this was sent to me and I am eternally grateful. I love this company so much. When I tell you that they spoil me, that is an understatement, but also they are so kind. They're kind to me, they're kind to others. Their customer service is amazing. Absolutely amazing, just as amazing as their products, which I happen to find extremely special. And I gotta show you guys this in case you didn't see it on my Instagram, because I did like a little video for that. I got a box from them and it had some of the aeronauts, which I love that fragrance, but just check my Instagram for that. This candle, I have a large one. It's right here. I bought so many of these. This candle I raved about in my last video. Got one from my mom. She opened it up and she said it's the best smelling candle she's ever smelled in her entire life. And then she proceeded to tell me that she had to hide it from her husband so that he wouldn't take it. But now I have this little one. How cute is this? And it smells just as good. It's the same fragrance as the large one, but it's just like a mini one. It's so cute and it's still so heavy. But I got this and I decided it needed to stay back here. All right, so back to the box. My last one was from Nicole Mather. She is the CEO and founder of House of Sillage, and this one is from her as well. I was gonna try to read it off the box, but it's not gonna happen, so I'm just gonna hold the box here so you can see it, and I'm gonna tell you what it's called. It's the After Dark Fragrance and Beauty Mystery Vault by Nicole Mather. The value of the box is $1,908, and it retails for $954, so like it's $1,000 off, and you are guaranteed to get one limited edition fragrance valued at $1,210 and one lipstick bow case valued at $198. Now the last one was just the beauty and fragrance collection, and this is the dark edition. My husband was asking me, when are you gonna open this? And I was like, I'm gonna do it on camera. I want everybody else to be excited with me. Okay. All right, I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. I'm just gonna pull out. Okay. Oh, is this another? I think this is the fragrance. I wanna save this for last. So I'm gonna put this here. I know that's gonna be the most special item, so I wanna save that for last. I don't wanna do that yet. Here we have one of the smaller boxes. Let me get my scissors again. There's stickers on here. This is a travel spray, and I'm terrible with pronunciation, so I'm going to leave this right here on the screen, and I am going to spray it. Oh my God, this doesn't smell like, I say this every time, but I mean it every time. That doesn't smell like anything that I have. I smell some floral notes in here. Let me figure out what the notes are of this fragrance. Let me look it up. So what I wrote on the screen is actually the name of the case. It's the Arabesque Collection Perfume Travel Spray Solo Case. It smells very, very nice. If I can figure this out, I will leave it up on the screen, but this in of itself is beautiful. Again, you have the enamel and all the Swarovski. Okay, I'm gonna say this correctly. Swarovski, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm trying. Swarovski, I always say Swarovski. And I know there's a V in there, but my mouth just doesn't want to say it. But you guys know what I'm talking about. It's fancy and it's beautiful. What is this? Oh my gosh, hold on. I'm not looking. There's little petals in here. That's beautiful. I want to look so bad. I'm not going to. Okay, what do we have here? All right, this is, House of Sillage. Some people are simply hard to impress. La Lumiere collection brings together luxury packaging with a vast assortment of delicious candies, with the finest ingredients. Hold on. Okay, I need my scissors again. Candy, yes. You guys don't even know the sweet tooth that I have. There, I'm gonna try one. Ooh, which one do I want? I want this one. I can make it easy on myself and take this out. Now you can see all the little truffles in here. All right, I hate eating on camera, but I like candy. All of those will be gone tonight, so know that while I'm editing this, I'm also eating candy. Please, 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 please be another candle. I think it is, oh my goodness. And this one is black. In case anybody didn't know, my favorite color is actually black. Okay, this is a different scent. It is here. Oh, that one smells amazing too. This one smells more like home fragrance, a sophisticated kind of way, whereas the other one definitely had that warmth, the vanilla and almond, I believe. I can't quite put, if I find the notes again, I will put it up here, but it smells amazing. And again, just really luxe, just luxe packaging. And their candles are soy. Diving back in, what do we have here? Oh, this has to be the bow. I'm telling you guys what things are before I open. Sorry. Yes, it's a bow case. Okay, which one is this? This case is velvety. I don't think I have any that have a velvet case. I'm looking at those chocolates like, give me another one. Oh, this is the black one. So last time I got the white one, and this one is all black. And again, enamel at over 300 Swarovski crystals. I can't do it, Swarovski. No, Oh, I'm cracking myself up. Oh, these are so beautiful. I wonder if there is a lipstick in here. Hold on, I'm gonna see. This seems like, yep. Like I know what those feel like. So I'm going to show you, in case you missed my last video, what color are you? King, S16 King. The bow cases are refillable. You can put whatever color lipstick you want from them in here. So this is what it looks like when you get it. You take the top off, and then you've got this little plastic piece. You take that off, and then you also are going to pull it out of there. You're going to open up your bow like so. Put your lipstick in, it clicks, and then twist up. And this is a beautiful red. Look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love the black and the red together. I can't wait for editing, I'm sorry. I probably have chocolate all in my teeth and my lipstick, but it's okay. I went ahead and picked out the next item. And this is the travel spray refill. So you can see there's 4. They fit inside of this. And I'm wondering if this is the fragrance that is inside. Let me see if it smells the same. No, this one is different. This one's spicier. It smells good too. Let me look this one up and see if I can find the notes on it. The top notes are peppermint and cardamom oil, heart notes, rose oil and jasmine, base notes, patchouli and musk. You guys know how I love those. That smells good. I wonder, okay, is there anything left in here? No. Okay, so, oh no, I missed the card. Okay, this is on the inside. This is the beautiful Nicole. And then I've got Mel Thompson. Let me read this card before we open up the last box. Dear Mel, our founder Nicole wanted you to personally experience her newest mystery vault. The After Dark collection explores the sensuous and euphoric side of House of Sillage, including a brand new vault exclusive candle. That is what I just opened. We hope you enjoy this ultimate unboxing experience. Yes, I do. And this is the name of the fragrance that I pulled out of the travel refills. I wonder if this is what is in the big box. Let me see what this says. There's an unspoken fascination surrounding the quintessential it girl. She is sophisticated, captivating, and effortlessly playful as she moves about her daily life in a distinctive and poised manner. This scent is for the avant-garde woman of the world who capture the eyes of everyone in their path while they emanate a truly graceful aura of irresistible beauty. Does that not just, that just captivates you? Okay, I'm ready for it. Are you guys ready for it? I'm ready for it. All right, let's do this. Yes, it's another one of those boxes. Okay, the last time, the little crystal on the front, which is just like a little button, was blue. And now it is clear. Are you guys ready for it? Are you ready? So you hit this little button here. The top will come up. Oh my gosh. The bottom comes down. It is lined, and then this is the fragrance. Oh my gosh. Just opening the box is an experience in of itself, And then you see this. How stunning is this? The bow. Oh, this is beautiful. It's so sophisticated and luxurious and amazing. You take this off. I'm going to spray it. I know I've already got it on, but I want to spray it. I am running out of room on my, I bought this really beautiful spinning thing for my fragrances. I'm going to buy another one just for House of Sillage. Not that I can take these out of the boxes, I just can't. They're just so magnificent. All right, you guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing this with me. Again, thank you so much, House of Sillage. I am so grateful. Everything is beautiful. The presentation, the craftsmanship, the beauty, everything. I'm just so grateful. Thank you so much, and thank you, Nicole. I am just eternally grateful. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful job. Thank you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. What did you say? What smells good?
I thought at first I was confused. I thought you were saying it smelled good because you were laughing. I was like,
I'm laughing because I'm stuffing my face with chocolate.
oh, it has a flavor. Because it smells good on your mouth.
Come here. Smell.
Where'd you get chocolate?
From House of Sillage. Smell. Smell this one.
Oh, not this one.
Which one do you like better? This one? This one?
Yeah.
You want to smell?
I like the strawberry.
He wants a piece of chocolate.